What's the meaning of crucify? Crucify. Crucify.
Crucify. Crucify. The term crucify refers to the act of putting someone to death by nailing or binding them to a cross, typically as a form of punishment. The result of crucifixion is excruciating pain, immense suffering, and ultimately death by asphyxiation. The person being crucified is left exposed to the elements, often without food or water, and the physical stress on their body can cause shock, organ failure, and other complications that can lead to a slow and agonizing demise. In short, crucifixion is a brutal and inhumane method of execution.